As a responsible business owner, you want to maximize profit and minimize time you're not earning money, like when you're experiencing downtime, which costs a manufacturing company $260,000 per hour. Obviously, some downtime is unavoidable, but how do you become one of those companies that has such a good handle on it that downtime is a shockingly rare event? You already know that there are many reasons downtime can happen, such as equipment failure, plant shutdowns, and machine maintenance. And of course, there's any number of things you're already doing to reduce downtime. You might be training your employees, investing in great parts for your machines, ensuring machines get serviced regularly, or even looking ahead to busy times and preparing for them in advance. You're doing everything in your power to make sure that anything you can predict is accounted for and handled before it becomes a problem. But at the end of the day, you're only human. You can't see into the future, and you definitely can't do it all yourself. What happens when something new arises? It becomes a major expense that detracts from any initiatives you may have to take your company to the next level. What if I told you there was a way to see what might go wrong before it actually does? There are tools that see what you can't, analyze more data than you can, and use it all to predict what will happen before it comes down the line to reduce the amount of required downtime in manufacturing. By monitoring and recording unintended incidents, downtime manufacturing tools prevent small issues from becoming big problems. Manufacturing teams rely on tools like production tracking systems and supervisory control and data acquisition, or SCADA systems, along with machine sensors and downtime tracking dashboards to detect issues early, predict maintenance needs, and provide data-backed insights. But in order to put these systems into place, your business technology must be up to date. Start by reviewing your current setup, then ensure that your core systems are upgraded and manual processes are replaced with digital tools. Don't try to do everything at once. Introduce one system, learn from it, then build on that. And don't forget, your tech is only as good as the people using it, so make sure to invest in training. Working with experts who specialize in digital transformation can make the process smoother and a lot less stressful. If you want to do this too, it's time to take a look at the way your people, processes, and technology currently work. Stop trying to do it all in your head when there are systems that can do it more accurately, quickly, and easily. It's not a cost, it's an investment in your future. Reduce downtime and focus on growing your business by starting the path towards modernization today. If you need help going through how your business works today and what next steps need to be, go to impactmybiz.com.